Health is powerful. It is universal and passed on to generations. It keeps people smiling and the humans surviving. A center of life, it has the power to thrive. So imagine a day without it all, without health and its cure. The challenge is clear. We take the lead to prevent and cure. A responsibility to make sure. We make sure of your health. We are Om Sai Pharma Pack, situated at Sitkul, Haridwar. Om Sai is a pharmaceutical company committed to provide healthcare. Well connected to the major ports, it has a vast infrastructure that hosts corporate offices, RD centers, and labs looked upon by scientists. The company boasts its advanced manufacturing equipment and seamless delivery process of quality products across, meeting the regulatory standards. Om Sai commercial partners are well known over the world. Our focus is to consistently excel in manufacturing topical products, which touches millions of people globally. Over the years, Om Sai has successfully fulfilled countless orders and have provided a massive list of quality products like ointments, lotions, solutions, soaps, and many more. Carried out in separate areas with dedicated air handling units. Om Sai follows strict regulations with very high demand on safety and hygiene. With all the materials being well checked and pre-approved, we make sure that what goes inside as the raw material and what comes out as a product are of the best quality standards. With far-reaching roots, Om Sai has been successfully supporting the healthcare ecosystem for over 4 years. With a state-of-the-art technology, the machinery produces high-quality products imported from Germany and Japan. Each product and process undergoes formulation, in-process control, sampling, shelf life, and stability tests. Every step is documented, and controlled sampling is carried out on all products, where they are weighed, measured, and checked. As the capacities continue to expand, expertise in packaging is another critical factor governing the entire process. Our packaging process is highly automated. We are also an in-house producer of laminated tubes, sticker printing, and offset duplex carton. Every year, 8.76 million pieces of a single product are packed. That means 1,000 pieces per hour per product. The finished products are then transported to the spacious storage, where the products wait to be shipped. Helping patients live a longer and a better life is a challenge that Om Sai strives to surpass every day. We exist for the people and their health. We are Om Sai, delivering results, reliability, and rock-solid dependability.